Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudiecooks in the kitchen. Woohoo! We've got a 10-minute spaghetti recipe for you. All of the ingredients will be listed in the link used in this recipe today. So if you want to see how we do it, let's hop in the kitchen and cook up a storm. Woohoo! As you can see, I've got a pot of boiling water here, and it's at a rolling boil at the moment, and then once we get the pasta in, I'll reduce the heat. So now let's salt the water. I'm using about that much in the water, and I like to add a bit of olive oil in my water. I'm using about half of the packet of pasta, and we're going to let that boil for about 10 minutes or until it's cooked. But I'm just going to turn the heat a bit lower so it's like medium high. I'm going to put 10 minutes on the clock. Once the pasta is boiling, I'm going to make the sauce for the pasta, and I'm using some Italian truffle pasta mix. So let's get the heat on. We're just going to heat that up for a bit, and then once it's heated up, I'm going to pour some oil in and I will be back up. I've decided to move the pasta to the back ring and bring the saucepan to the front. So we're going to add a bit of olive oil, and we're going to pop a bit of butter in that as well. That's about a tablespoon of butter. Let's just melt that down, and whilst that's melted, I'll get the truffle mix open so we can add some to the oil. Right, I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half. That's the truffle mix. I'm just going to just rehydrate the truffle and the mushroom and all of this goodness that's in the packet. I think I'm going to add a bit more to that, maybe another 3/4 spoon. Oh, I can smell it already. I can smell the truffle smell. We're going to add some green seasoning. Of course, that's optional. Add in some tomatoes as well. Just going to cook this off. Just going to season with some salt and black pepper. Some black pepper here and a bit of salt. I'm just going to let this sweat for maybe a couple of minutes, and then we will be back. Let's get some garlic in. Time to add some Scotch bonnet. I've taken the seed out, that's about a quarter. We're going to put some parsley, the zest from a lemon, and we're going to use half of the lemon. Just put in a bit of paprika, and I'm using some lemon pepper as well. Right, let's get the pasta off the fire. I'm going to reserve a cup to put in there. So reserving a cup full. Then I'm just going to drain the spaghetti. Right, I've decided that I want to add some olives. We have no stones in these ones. Just in there. And try tasting it. I wanted a kick from the Scotch bonnet. We need to add some more salt. And we need some more black pepper. I'm just going to put a bit more lemon juice. And top of the pasta water. Right, time to add the spaghetti. Let's give this some mix. And put a bit more water. Time for the Parmesan Reggiano. Let's get loads of it over here. Ooh, look at this. Looking good. I'm going to have a little taste test to see whether it's got enough seasoning. Need more black pepper and some garlic granules. Just gonna pour the rest of that in there. I'm gonna give this another mix. More Parmesan Reggiano. Wow. Right, the fire is going off now. Now we're going to plate up. Let's plate up. Right, we're gonna put some more Parmesan Reggiano. Wow. Get it a little bit arty, a little bit of mess here and there. We're going to sprinkle a pop of color. Just put a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, use a nice olive oil for that. I'm using this one. A bit more black pepper. Let's squeeze a bit more lemon juice. Yes, and we're ready. And there you have it, guys, my 10 minutes pasta. I can't wait to go and eat that now with a side salad and some garlic bread. Enjoy.